Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So in today's video, I'm going to create some home decor, or you could use it as special event decor. I'm going to be creating a 4-station candle holder table runner. And I'm going to be using some items from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some recycled items that I purchased a few years ago from the Dollar Tree. And the rest of it is going to be from Amazon. So right here, this glass that you see on the table is a tempered glass cutting board, and I picked that up from Amazon a few years ago. So I'm going to start with a cardboard, but guys, I want you to use something more sturdier like foam board. I'm just using this cardboard to demonstrate the project. So if you're going to use cardboard, try to use 3 or 4 layers of cardboard. If not, you can use foam board. So I'm going to be using 4 recycled mirrors from the Dollar Tree. These mirrors are beveled edge, and as you can see, they are recycled. A little bit of scratching going on in the center and around some of the perimeter. So I've decided to use them today just to demonstrate how to create a 4-station candle holder table runner. So I'm going to line them up on the cardboard. If you're going to do this project, you're going to use foam board. Line it up, make sure it's nice and straight, and then I'm going to take my pencil and just mark off the areas of the board that I'm going to use. Next, I'm going to use my craft cutter, and I'm going to cut away the excess board. So now I'm going to use this silver embossed contact paper. I got this from Amazon, and guys, if you remember me saying a while ago, this is some of my favorite contact paper. So I'm going to use enough of this just to cover one side of the board. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my clear gel tacky glue. I'm going to apply it to the cardboard side of our board, and I'm going to use a damp paint brush. The brush is just dampened with a little water. It's not soaking wet, it's just damp. And I'm going to smooth out the glue. Once I've done that, I'm going to apply the mirrors. So while it's drying, I'm going to apply a towel over the mirror and then add a sand weight just to apply a little bit of pressure for better adhesion. And I'm going to set that to the side and allow it to completely dry. Next, I'm going to be using these mini square vases that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And guys, here is the SKU number if you're interested. Just freeze the video and you can take down the information. I'm going to start by cleaning them all off with a little bit of alcohol on a paper towel. So next, I'm going to take the 4-roll diamond adhesive wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. And what I'm going to do with this is cut this in half. And then I'm going to apply a strip at the top of the vase and at the bottom of the vase. And I'm going to do this to all 4 vases. So I've already cut enough for all the vases, so I'm going to get started. Next is some more diamond wrap that I picked up from Amazon. This is really unique looking and I love the way this looks. So I'm going to be using this today and I'm going to cut them into separate sections, single sections. I'm going to use this to decorate each of the vases. Now that the mirror table runner is completely dry, I'm going to cover the cardboard edges with a little bit of that 2-roll diamond wrap. I'm just going to do that all the way around the perimeter of the runner. If you wanted to do this project and you want to use a permanent adhesive, you can do so. But just to demonstrate, I'm going to be using hot glue. So I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue, add it to the bottom of the vase, and then I'm going to adhere the vase to each mirror. Just going to shift it a little bit, give it that diamond shape. Next, I'm going to be adding these clear, tiny diamond glass fillers or vase fillers. These are really nice, guys. I picked those up from Amazon years ago. If I can find the links to everything that I've used today, I will do so. So just check in the description section. The plastic storage jar that you see there doesn't come with the vase fillers, but I'll leave the link to that if you're interested. And lastly, I'm going to be using the tea light candles. Those I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. And guys, this project is finished. I'm going to light the candles and show you how beautiful this looks. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love the way this looks. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.